That's crazy. Dude, the servers are actually so bad. Wait. Oh, I thought that was Freddy Boy for a second. What's up? Sure.
I'm trying to eat my dinner, by the way.
Oh, you're trying to eat dinner?
Yeah. I'm doing it live. What the heck was that?
What's up?
Can we take a picture?
Yes.
TJ on
Dang, I hate doing this thing where I try to get into like the guys' lobbies and it's like, oh, it's full, no, I can't get in. And then I'm like sitting there for 5 minutes in the exact same button, like 10 times. What's that?
No.
Because of the monkey mayhem. Oh look, hello mate.
He's big boom.
Wow. Yo, wait.
Wait.
Spray. There's all of this and stuff. It's crazy. All right. Oh wait, it fixed it.
Who's Chazzy? He's. Oh. Die, bro. Can I take a bit?
La 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 la. Give me a high five? Yeah, hold up. Oh no.
What the?
Hey, bro.
Wait, blue shot. Oh, I thought it was shit.
Alright, go.
Alright, go in the middle. Hey, welcome. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Hell yeah. Oh, so random. Yeah, totally. Claws.
I'm KGVR. Yo, I met you. You were the one that handed it to me. I knew it was you. Remember, you were over here. I said, how did you get that?
Oh, I think, man.
If you're wondering, I make skits and stuff.
Oh, cool.